friends, welcome back to Zucchini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
It's almost Father's Day. Are you trying to find the perfect gift for them because they have everything they need? Well, don't worry, because Zucchini Kitchen has got you covered. We are making a yummy zucchini pizza. Let's make this dish and serve it to the best dads in the world. Ingredients are zucchini. Cut the zucchini into small circles and long strips. This is because we are making a mini pizza and a regular pizza. To a pizza pan, lay the zucchini strips to create a pizza base. Here are some tips. Are you wondering what other vegetables you can use to make this pizza? Watch till the end to find out. Wow, that's a lot of zucchinis. To another pan, add the circle zucchinis. Add oil. Salt. Our famous roasted garlic powder. Watch our suggested video that pops up. Black pepper. And finally, some Italian seasoning. Eggplant, sweet potatoes, potato, and squash are some other options to make a low-carb pizza. Repeat the same process to the big zucchini mountain. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Oh wow, look how the zucchinis became well done and they look really delicious. Aw man, I really wanted to eat some zucchinis, but we have to wait till we add the toppings for our pizza. Now this is my favorite part, because we get to add the toppings to our pizza. You can use any toppings you want, but we are using orange bell, some juicy pineapples, yellow bell pepper, diced paneer cubes. If you want a vegan option, you can use tofu. Sweet corn kernels, sweet onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Wow, we use a lot of peppers. Pizza sauce. Now, when it comes to pizza, I think there's nothing wrong with adding lots of cheese. So along with the paneer, we're gonna add some grated mozzarella cheese to make this cheesy. But not as cheesy as my jokes. If you want a vegan option, you can use Mayocco's fresh mozzarella cheese. First, add your pizza sauce on your zucchinis. Then add the toppings. My favorite pizza topping is banana peppers. What's yours? Comment down below. Black olives, banana peppers, jalapenos, cauliflower, broccoli, breaded eggplants are some great toppings. Time to sprinkle on that cheese. Looks like these pizzas are ready to get cooked. Time to make our small mini pizzas. Repeat the same process we did for the big pizza. time to put the pizzas back in the oven and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. That looks really delicious. I wonder if I can have the first bite. It looks super cheesy and amazing. Enjoy this healthy pizza with your loved ones this Father's Day. A special message from Zucchini Kitchen. Happy Father's Day to all in the world. I hope you have a wonderful day.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!